Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share with you this must-have knife set from Piklohas. These knives have been an amazing upgrade to our prior knives that had gotten dull. It contains 8 kitchen use knives and 6 steak knives. The knives for kitchen use are all so sharp. For instance, the kitchen knife cut through my chicken like butter. They are made of Damascus steel, which means that they are very sharp and long-lasting. I love that the 6 included steak knives are there because these are definitely the best dinner knives I've ever used. Again, they just make cutting so smooth. The presentation of the knives is so beautiful with the red marble-like handles, and the block is magnetic and it just keeps your kitchen knives from being damaged and free from mold. It really completes the kitchen look because it's such a complete package. It's a perfect gift for friends or family. So now you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.